pie dough is easy as pie. But you don't want to touch it too much, and you don't want to overmix it. And everything should be cold. Other than that, there are no rules. What is happening? Okay, so the first step we're going to do today is we're going to make the crust for this pie. I've got 6 tablespoons of butter here, cut into about a 1/4 inch pieces, and I'm just going to sprinkle this over the top of this. But you don't want to touch it too much, and you don't want to overmix it. And everything should be cold. Other than that, there are no rules. We're going to pulse this 5 times. But if you add some shortening and butter, perfect. Both the butter and the shortening were in the refrigerator until I started this video. Too big, but I'm not going to do anything more. I want that butter in there because I want it to pop while it's cooking. Okay, so that's all we're going to do with the food processor. Okay, so we have this here, and now we've got 3 or 4 tablespoons of water. Scant tablespoon in and see how that goes. What is happening? That's discolored. I have to start over. That is nasty. What is that? No, this is not blueberry. This doesn't have anything. Oh, that looks really good. So we're going to put 3 tablespoons of water, ice cold water in here. Would you like to taste this?
Yeah.
Okay, you can be my taster. Good job! Okay. All right, now you need to... Absolutely, that's why I gave it to you. Yum, huh?